Ever wondered how your game knows when two objects collide or how it calculates damage? It all comes down to operators and operands. Today, we'll break them down in GDScript so you can write smarter code in Godot. By the end of this video, you'll master arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. So let's dive in. In programming, an operator performs an action, and an operand is the value it acts upon. Here, the plus operator adds the values stored in A and B. These operators are self-explanatory. You will add, subtract, multiply, and divide operands together. Use these for in-game calculations like player health, damage, and physics. Logical operators are used when you want to compare the truth-false values of an operand. These operators help control game logic like AI behavior and win conditions. You use the and operator to check if two operands are true. You use the or operator to check if one out of two operands are true. You use the not operator to check if the operand is false. Relational operators are used when you want to compare operands. When using relational operators, the value returned to you is a Boolean value true or false. If the relational statement is satisfied, if it is true, then a true value is returned. If a relational operator is not satisfied, if it is false, then a value of false is returned. Now you know how operators and operands work in GDScript. Use them wisely to create awesome gameplay mechanics. Want more? Check out my next tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next.